All right, this is a quick video on how to use the software over in the Direct-to-Garment machine. So this is Garment Creator. It's here. You've got the spooler, which will tell you when it's going to the machine. Now, before you get to this point, you should have ironed the shirt for 15 seconds, all right, to flatten it out and kind of get all the moisture out, and then placed it on to the platen on the machine. Remember that you're going to face it on the platen, okay? You're going to put it with the collar facing you. Okay, so it's almost like it's upside down, but the collar is going to face you on the platen, and then the side that you want to print on is obviously the side that's up. So once you get that set, and then you put the hoop around it and get it all flat and get it ready to go, this is the next step. Okay, so now inside my Save Shirt folder, I've got my, the shared shirt folder. All right, I have my files here. So here's my Mills River shirt. I'm simply going to make sure that this, okay, is on light colored shirt standard. All right, if you want to check the layout settings, just make sure it's set to 14:16. Here's my print settings, light colored shirt standard. All I'm going to do is drag and drop my file right here. Once it pops it in, each of these is an inch, okay? And generally speaking, when you've got it set to the collar down, you've got about 3 inches. Usually I like to start somewhere around here with my size. You can scale it from here, but again, each box is about an inch, okay? Once it's centered, you click print. That's all you have to do, and then you're gonna hit the giant big circular button, the blue button on the printer to print.